Is it time to go to bed? Is it time to go? Oh, so sleepy. Should we go to bed, baby girl? Should we go to bed? Oh, yes, we will. You give me a smile first. You were so happy before. You give me a little smile. Hey, what is that up by Mommy's face? I think it's weird. I think it's weird. Here, let's see if we can get you to smile this way. Smile. Can you smile? Mwah. 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 Yeah. What's Daddy got?
What are you staring at, huh?
I think we need to hide the camera. And then you can smile. Then you'll smile, won't you? Daddy'll have to take some pics tomorrow. Yeah. You kicked off Smiley a second ago.
Notice her lifting her head up this whole time.
Oh, little burp in there. You getting hungry?
You say hi?
Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Randy.
Yeah.
Hey, Emp, I'll get one that's better, but happy birthday. We'll get one better tomorrow. I'll you up in the morning. One in Compton. Smile, baby. Come on. Real quick, like. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nothing.